I bet you've never had mac and cheese like this before. It's crispy, cheesy, and air fried to golden perfection, and all in just 15 minutes. All you need are 5 simple ingredients: leftover mac and cheese, breadcrumbs, eggs, flour, and some seasoning magic. First, take your mac and cheese and roll it into bite-sized balls. The creamier, the better. Now, coat each ball in flour, dip it into egg, and roll it in crispy breadcrumbs. This is where the magic happens. Time to air fry. Place them in a preheated air fryer at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and let them crisp up for 10 to 12 minutes. And just look at that crunch. Golden outside, melty inside, pure perfection. Pair it with your favorite dip and get ready for the ultimate bite. This is next level mac and cheese. If you love easy, delicious recipes, hit that subscribe button for more 5 Delish magic.